What's up, traders? This is your boy RM-THUCK'S. I'm back again with another banger recap video. So today I'm going to check what happened with our previous video, the previous analysis we just analyzed here on our YouTube channel. If you missed the signal analysis, then here is the link above here. Just go click the link. So as I can start, I'm going to start with US30 this week. As previously we were in a bullish trend from the previous reversal. We're waiting for it to just give us a bullish continuation in the middle of the trend so that it can correct and complete the structure. And another thing again, we are in a consolidation form. As I always tell my traders, that don't trade the ranging market, because if you are trending in a range, you will be caught. So as now we will be waiting for the market to come to us on our resistance, or either the breakout of the resistance. As we are reactive traders, we are not forcing the market to do whatever we don't want. We are forcing the market, we are waiting for the market to come to us as we are patiently waiting for it. And next this week on Nasdaq recap, last week, as I said, you guys, Nasdaq is going to sell from the current resistance, and then Nasdaq sold from that resistance as I said. Okay, so you can check now. Nasdaq reversed from this resistance. It was highlighted last week. This resistance was the area of value, area of confluence. If we go in, if we zoom in, we are in a bullish continuation pattern as a confirmation that the market is going to break the failed resistance. That failed resistance, meaning that we are going to break it this time because of the momentum we got from the correction here. Here it was our correction waiting for it to break, then that's the time we're going to buy. Then it will give us impulse buy, and then nice and bullish. So just wait for it to break this current resistance, then wait for one candlestick close above, then you will enter your buy, then it will give us impulse. The very same impulse you are waiting from this correction is the very same size of the previous impulse, as its impulse correction waiting for the last push, which is the impulse, the last impulsive phase. So let's go to GJ this week. On GJ this week, on GBP JPY this week, on a daily time frame, on a daily perspective, you can see there is something like a head and shoulder, but I don't believe it's a head and shoulder, because as bullish traders, we are in a bullish trend waiting for the market to complete the structure, and then from this resistance we can wait for any bearish reversal patterns. That's where we're going to sell. But so far so long we are in a bullish, and then we can say this market, we can wait for this market to retest our broken resistance, then push to complete the structure. That's the only thing we are waiting on GJ this week. Or either another way, another scenario on this GJ, we can wait it for us, and so that it can give us something like a touch to our resistance. As you can check here, previously retested our resistance. We're waiting for the last push, then impulse correction, impulse. That's the time we're going to sell. Okay, then on AUD USD this week, AUD USD this week, AUD USD on a daily perspective, I can say we are in a bearish correction or bearish continuation pattern. If I go to the lower time frame, as we are trading trend inside the trend. Here we have a clear confirmation, a clear reversal. We are just waiting for the market to react, then we will sell. As we were in a previous bullish trend, then the breakout, and then impulse correction, waiting for the last correction. This correction here, or this consolidation zone, or this ranging zone, it's a confirmation that the previous buyers they are starting to lose momentum on this trend, meaning that this previous trend is exhausted, meaning that we are about to go to the new trend. Market about to introduce the new trend, which is we are about to sell when the market open this week. Watch out for sellers on AUD USD. Don't buy. If another way, another round, if AUD USD break out of the resistance, then retest it, then you can buy. Again on NZD USD this week, guys. NZD USD this week, it just break out of their current support. So now it's retesting our support, waiting for the last impulse to complete the previous structure, as we were in a correction zone or a smaller uptrend inside the trend, as we are counter trend traders. We're trading the trend. So the breakout and retest is a perfect spot where you can sell or confirm. But don't forget that in the overall direction from the daily perspective, we are waiting for it to break out of the current resistance so that we can get our last push, which is the last impulse we are waiting for, as we are in a bullish continuation. As previously we had impulse correction waiting for the last push of the market. But for now, if you want to scalp, you can trade the breakout to come to our supporting trend line. Then for sure, it's a little mini uptrend that is taking the market out of the current correction box, and then you can wait for long trade where you're going to swing it from the breakout of the current resistance. Okay. Then another scenario I'm looking at on this week is USD CAD. Let's check what's happening on USD CAD. USD CAD. Okay, as you can see that we have broken out of the current previous trend, then the supporting trend line was broken, and then now we are waiting for market to complete the structure. As we will have impulse, as we are coming from impulse, then correction, waiting for the last push to the downside, which is the last phase of the market. Then we will wait for another correction zone. CADCHF this week, CADCHF this week. Let's see what's the scenario or what's the buyers CHF. On CADCHF this week, we are still selling as market is about to reverse from the inner trend. If you are go to 4 hour time frame, you can check it's broken our current reversal pattern with double top, then it's breakout and retest. Now you can sell and put a stop loss at 0.75182, then our TPs 123. Then to complete the structure, market will just give us impulse, correction, impulse, then to complete the structure. It's either market will reverse from this zone or this zone, so you have to watch out and then monitor your trade. But as now, this is a bearish reversal on the resistance with our confirmation, which is double top and the broken support from the correction. Then we are waiting for it to go down. Okay. So on AUDJPY this week, AUDJPY this week, AUDJPY this week. What's the buyers for this week? Guys, please watch out and then wait for the market to come to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. AUDJPY, we just bought this from Signal, from VIP, and then from Trial Group. I send this signal, we are in profit. We hit our first TP, as we have correction, which is the bullish continuation waiting for the market. Then breakout, we got the buyers from the breakout. Then we are waiting for another continuation impulse, continuation impulse. Then on CADCHF, CADCHF this week, let me check the buyers on the 4 hour time frame or 4 hour perspective. Let me start from daily time frame to lower time frame. So CADCHF, it is retesting our previous resistance, which was broken sharply from this impulse. We caught this correction, then waited for impulse, and then we got it. So now here is the chance, another chance to the retest. Then you can wait for another impulse. As we are in a bullish trend, we have to have high and lower high. So now it's creating lower high. We'll expect another high and then lower high, which is the trend. If we are in a bullish trend, you remember that the uptrend have higher high and the lower high. So on NZDJPY this week, NZDJPY is mostly similar or correlating or consolidating the very same way as NZDJPY. We are in a correction with a fake out of the reversal, and then we have reversal candlestick as a bearish hammer facing down, then there's a correction when you go to lower time frame. As I'm expecting the correction, then there's a head and shoulder when you go to lower time frame. As you can check, this is a head and shoulder stating that the market will be reversed with impulse then correction impulse. Okay. So, okay, guys, for this far, we are done. Please don't forget to comment and then tell me which content must I include in our group or in our channel so that you can keep all of you engaged. Thank you for liking and subscribing on our channel. For more content is coming, please don't forget to share with your friends and family. This is your boy RM-THUCK'S. Please stay tuned for weekly and then weekly analysis with more strategy and with more rules this week. And then don't forget to like and subscribe and then ring the bell so that you cannot miss out the real content, real signals, the real profitable things from Bull vs Bear Academy. This is your boy RM-THUCK'S. I'm signing out.